Hello, world. Tuffy says hi. And it's not that bad if worst comes to worst, and as long as you have a vehicle and you don't have a place to properly live, that's what you make of it. It really is. I'm not upset in the very least. I just want to let everyone know that things will get better for you, whatever situation you may come across. My plans for my truck is to make a camper shell. I want to make sure that I do it correctly. I would like to document each and every step. I would like to do things, but I need to catch up on my truck payment, which I will be doing. Capital One Auto Finance has been a really awesome help, and it'd be nice to have a place to lay in the back seat, or in the back, sit. Maybe I'll put a couch, maybe have my TV, the PlayStation, but that all comes in time. It really does. And if you've watched my previous videos, I pray that I'm getting better in talking, communication-wise. And, consider hitting that, at least the thumbs up button for me. It helps in that algorithm, and y'all enjoy the rest of your day, or evening, or night, wherever you are in the world. Take care.